Hey, what's going on, guys? We are back with another video, or first video, yeah. And welcome to Endoflame, and today we're going to be playing Subway Surfers, aka Hacked Subway Surfers. I hacked this game. Look how many coins I have, guys. I don't have all the boards because I don't want to have all of them. I really only use the monster board, so yeah, let's just go straight in. Yay! Let's hope we can get our first 5 subs in a day or two. Let's see if we can set that record, guys. And then I'll teach you guys how to hack this game. Subway Surfers. Man, I'm so excited to get my diamond medal. I hacked my score up too. No, we didn't use Lucky Patcher for this crap. Lucky Patcher isn't even a real game. It's just really just patches. What this is the normal game, but I'm taking the advantage. That is just a different file. That's all it is. I wouldn't recommend ever using Lucky Patcher as your hacker app. But I'm not going to tell you what I use quite yet. I'll tell you guys once we reach 5 subs. Come on, come on. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, crap. I don't know how it's possible for that dog not to be able to keep up with me. Dogs are way faster than humans. It's so annoying when your board runs out and you have to use another one. I just want to keep riding my board. I hate the walking or running part. I just like being on my board. It's really fun. My board's so darn fast. Oh, yep, boom. Thought I would have missed that. Oh, I thought I was just gonna, miss that, super sneakers, but then they were right there. Yes, super sneakers, boom. Oh, boom. Look at that. You challenging me, bro? Come on. Boom. What's this? Boom. Magnet. Oh, almost got hit by a train. Oh, come on. I just got that board. That was a pretty bad run, I'd say, myself. Alright, so I'll show you guys this. My high score up here. Boom. Over 2 billion. Now, I'll just show you, by circling around. You can't even see the logo, but I'm recording with Mobizen. One daily challenge. Okay, how do I do that? I don't see any, letters or anything. Power up right off the bat. Oh, and another one, the best power up in the game for me. The jetpack is my favorite one. I'm just gonna be lazy and fly to the side for now because my magnet just takes everything. Once it runs out, I'm gonna go back in the line. Wow, it actually had enough to last the whole time. Ooh, mystery box. Boom, got it. Alright, what I really want is the jackpot, even though like 100,000 coins won't really do anything for me. But, it's really not that much. Not for me at least, but because I have over like 1,000,000,000 coins. I can get more than that, but I don't really want to right now. What am I even gonna spend them for? I'd rather have that many keys than coins. Keys are the best. You can get like the outfits for your guys that you have. I only have like 700 keys. It's not a lot. Alright, so I think I have to like spend 2,000 coins or something. What do I want to buy? Probably buy the Daredevil. Alright. Dun, 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 dun. Let's use... Which one is faster? See that one. Alright. Let's buy some more boards. Real quick. Wait, what? Shop. Boosts. Yeah, there we go. Just get 130 again. Man, I love this board. Alright, let's go into this. Oh! Whoa! No! I love that board. Now it's gone. Wow, did you see that? That was best. Like, that was beast right there. Just, like, put 3 of them at once. That was awesome. Just like, click, click, click. I always wanted to try that. Oh, yes! I have a maggot. Maggot? What the heck is wrong with me? I have a magnet. I'm missing a lot of the coins. That was awesome. No! Already? My board is already down. It's impossible to use these boards. They just explode all the time. By far, the Daredevil is one of my favorite boards. But I like the Monster board the best. That's why I spent over 200 keys on that. And plus, it's not as easy to focus once I'm like talking a ton. Because YouTube is literally just making videos and talking. But, like, what are you going to talk about for all that time, you know? Wait, am I even still recording? Yeah, I'm still recording. Yep. I checked because I hate when, like, I'm recording and then I run out of space and my whole video stops. And I was just making a good video. I want to make my first video for you guys. Daredevil. Sweetest board out there. Just had to save myself from a death. Yeet. I'm just like sitting on a board and like, you know what? Let's just get some money. Oh, are you serious? Literally used so many boards on this run. It's a really, really short run so far. Daredevil isn't even close to being as good as the monster board. By far, this is one of my most favorite boards. It's so weird. Usually the maxed out, cheaper boards are cooler than the expensive ones. Like there's the one that is called the Lowrider. It's 360,000. Then you can just get the Lumberjack board for 4,000. You can just buy it with 90 keys and get a Lowrider already. That's spending so much coins. Some guys can get like 300,000 in one run, which is crazy to me. Never got that much in one run. But the most I've ever gotten like one run is like 70,000 at least. I think, yeah. Oh, come on! Like, I can't just go down a bit. Alright, so I've used 10 boards and I've only ran that long. Like, I bet I could never, like, make it last the full time. Alright, guys. That's it for today. Peace out.